Hi, I'm going to make a video about how to use power when skipping. Before I talk, please subscribe because your subscription makes me very happy. I'm using Kasking's spiral wrap rod and I'm using iReel. The iReel comes with this guide that allows me to use very thick line to skip. Okay. When we skip, one of the most important things is where to use power. When we skip, first, you are going to have a roll cast, not necessarily this kind of roll cast. It can be that kind of roll cast. It doesn't have to go up. But the key is that when you initially cast, do not use a lot of power in here. You're going to draw a C, right? A C, but not necessarily a C. Let me show you what the C looks like. It's kind of like this, and it's a flat at the bottom. If you use a lot of power when you initiate a cast, it's going to make this go too much, and it's going to bounce too much to the water. So when you do this, not to use a lot of power, but when you get to this point, which is kind of like the point of drawing a C parallel to the water, and that motion, this and this motion, when you make this motion, that's where the power is applied. Actually, you apply the power here. Here. That's where you apply power. Secondly, the key is that you need to have this rod. For example, this is what we call a 20% and 80% of rod, which means that, can you see the bend of the rod? Is on the tip of that? When you draw that circle, you want this rod to do this. To do this. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? When this comes to this point, then power. Power. Can you see that? That's what it is. Okay? That's how you apply the power. Okay, number 3. Once you have this go out, once this goes out, you want to lift your rod tip. I normally use my right hand, use my dominant hand to lift. In the same direction as where the lure goes. Okay? The lure goes over there, that's why you lift it. Then you palm it, get it? It's just one motion. Let me put it together. Okay? Thank you.